Hello and welcome to a new morning briefing video presented by Stein Investments. This one will be a short one because I just wanted to guide your focus to today's high impact economic news events which can have a serious impact on the market and which are the reason why retail traders are currently mostly closing their positions, as you can see in the falling total trading volume here. I already checked the charts and the currency overview, and there is indeed nothing to be traded today because there is no real trend available. You can see that across the board and across all currencies there is definitely nothing to risk any money for. And so this will be a very short video, just as a reminder to what I already said yesterday and the day before. Please keep an eye on this high impact news event because the inflation numbers in the US influence the money policy of the Fed. And so once these news are published, you will see, depending on the deviation from the market expectations, pretty huge spikes or not. We'll never know. But I can only recommend awaiting the publication of this news and trade afterwards or tomorrow. That said, I wish you a pleasant day, enjoy the spare time, and then we'll see us in the next video later today.